Jing, balita mo, anong nangyari?
Na-promote
Good
ulit.
news?
Good news, na-promote ulit.
Promote na naman.
Anong time ng departure natin?
Ngayon, 1 AM na.
1 AM! Alam ko, sinasabi lang yun ang pangalan.
Ano pangalan ng ano?
Ng
Tutulugan natin.
Center In.
Center in.
Oh. So it's time for us to check in. Check it out. Again. Jing, dapat tama yung password ah.
Ano ba? Kaaga pa ng 5 minutes.
Yes.
Crunching time.
Pili ko nga, nagkamali pa yung driver ng taxi. Alam mo ba na nagkamali siya? Nagkamali siya. Oo, kaya na-traffic tayo eh.
Ganun.
Dapat ka. Oo, ikot pa siya eh.
Kaya palang palang binayaran natin.
Oo.
Oo.
Here we come.
Bagong member ng Gilas.
Gilas. Kapalit si Jason Castro.
Kaya dyan, saan tayo kakain?
Saan ba meron dito?
Eh, no?
Cebu.
Gusto mo na ba may mabula? Ayan o, cinnabon.
Sinabon. Oh, pwede.
One thing's the same dito. Yung food, so expensive. One thing na mahirap dito sa Pilipinas ay vegetarian food. So our flight is at 9:41 daw ang flight namin. 9:41. Tulog na ako dapat yun. I usually sleep at 9. Here's the script. Hindi alam ni Jing. Jing has no idea that his girlfriend is waiting for him at the other end of the airport. So she's going to surprise him without him knowing. So it's gonna be exciting.
Flight natin from 9:40, 11:10 na. Delayed.
I love delayed flights.
So dating namin doon, Cebu, Yaon.
Alright.
So Thursday. Yeah.
Jing sa camera. May good news kami para sa'yo. Jing, sabihin mo nga yung good news, Jing.
What's the good?
Nag-increase ang ating flight. Tumubo from 9:40 to 11:10 na.
11:10 na.
Thank you.
Time check. 11:45.
Ano naman?
Anong time ng departure natin?
Ngayon, 1 AM na.
1 AM! And then, tomorrow, meron pa tayo part sa church. Early morning, we've got a part. day. Great day. Oh man.
Ano lang ako datas?
Saan tayo ba? Mactan? Anong maganda dito sa Mactan? The beaches. So ano pupuntahan natin dito? Ito ba yun? Sumalog Falls. Sumalog Island. He has no idea that his girlfriend is waiting for him at the other end of the airport. Unreal facial expression.
Coming to the picture. Hi, Kuya.
God bless you with a blessing surprise. Happy Sabbath.
Hi, welcome to Cebu. Nauna ko.
Ano feeling ba? Ano feeling? Parang binitray ka namin, ano? Ano, parang hindi ko makapagkatiwalaan itong mga to, ah.
Ayos ah.
Kachat kami natin.
Oo,
kanina pa. Ano na pang...
Okay, so we're in Cebu now. Mactan Airport. First time ko dito. For reals, like for reals.
Remember the time we were standing on the rooftop? You shone as bright as the city before us. Now tell me you feel it, tell me you know it, tell me you're cold and tell me I'm water, and you just keep it around it. Days of thunder I hear, they come when you're near. Why must all that I touch always fall into...
Give us snacks. Nice snacks. Thanks, Airasia.